That's a good one. But I noticed right here that it is using now. Now, as you all know, that now is a volatile function. It is going to be calculated for each and every row, so it is costly for us to use now. I would rather use something else other than now, probably current date. Okay. Also, we want to say that this is not using. There's no index awareness in this code. Why is it a problem? Now, this really assumes that severity, date reported, and country are indexed, but they might not be. So we need to create a composite index for that. Also, again, it's repeating some financial impact on the future, on the select clause, and also on order by. This is wasting time. Why should we not just order by the alias name total impact? So that needs to be checked out and fixed. Also, it's using limit 5, but there is no tie here. It is using limit 5 without a tiebreaker. Suppose there's a tie, it does not really cater if there is a tie in the result. Let's say there are two candidates that are the same number. That limit 5 will not perform what it did before because it's not using tiebreaker. So we need to add a tiebreaker on order by, especially order by, I would say total impact or country ascending, something like that. It is also not filtering for nows. Now, financial impact ESD could be now making the sum inaccurate. So we need to cater for that also because we don't know exactly what the result of the table are unless we've checked and you know that there's no now. But we need to cater for that before, we need to understand that problem before it comes. Also, no limit is being used here without context, without justification. Of course, in this case, we want to look at top 5 countries, so we're limiting 5. Also, this code is not using any CTEs or subquery to isolate expensive filters like this that we have here. I would consider using STEs. All right, so let's look at it and propose to do something different and see. I'll run it first and see if the results. Perfect. All right, so I'll use CTEs in this case. I'll just rename it as I'll say recent high incidence, and I'll alias it. Then I'll say select country, financial impact USD from my table. Then specify my word clause just as it was. Severity is equals to high. Let me just copy here. Perfect. So severity is equals to high, and I'll need this one. And date report, instead of using now, I would say current date minus interval. Then we want to do last 2 years. Perfect. As it was. I'll close my parentheses here. Then I'll go ahead and delete this one. Also, I'll just go again and then use that CTE country. Then now I can do my calculations. I'll do some financial impact, which is this one, financial USD. Perfect. As total impact. And also I want to count everything. So count all as incident count and specify the table. So I would now pull from this recent incidents. So copy this. That's the beauty of CTEs. Then I'll use group by. I'll keep group by country. Then I'll do now on order by. I'll do now by total impact. And I'll still maintain descending order and still use limit 5. Let's say on the results, so I have Brazil, Canada, Germany, USA, and Australia. Let's see if I run this code, I'll still get the same results. Perfect. Run successfully, and now the results: Brazil, Canada, Germany, USA, Australia, and the numbers are still the same. But